To copy your course content from one semester to another, start by going into your new course shell. Go down to Settings. On the right-hand side, go to Import Course Content. Select Copy a Canvas Course. Type in the name of the course. And then here you have some choices. You can do all the content, or you can select specific content if you only want to bring over certain pieces and leave others behind. You can also adjust dates and events. So you can shift your dates by putting in a beginning date and the change to date, or you can remove the dates completely. Hit import, it will queue, it will run it, and then it will say complete.